To install the mirror on your phone, please follow these steps. When using a phone with a case, stick the metal plate on the top left corner of the case. If the metal plate is too large, use scissors to cut it to size. Put your phone back in your case. Take your mirror, and make sure that it is clean. If not, use the wipe to clean it. Then, put the mirror on your phone. Make sure that the mirror is fully pushed against the phone case. As you can see, the magnets allow the mirror to hold. To activate the mirror mode on your phone, do the following. Open your app and start a scanning session. Click on the arrow in the bottom left corner to access the scanning settings. Click on Mirror Mode. Select Yes. Your mirror mode is now activated.